find my way back to you, till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this festival makeup tutorial. It's kind of inspired by Coachella because obviously it's the first weekend of Coachella this weekend. How many times could I just say weekend? I love Coachella so much. I mean, I've never actually been, but I just love seeing what everyone wears and I want to go so badly because I can't go to Coachella. I was like, bring Coachella to me with the makeup. Am I right? Am I right? But yeah, if you guys are going to any festivals, I hope you have an amazing time, and please do tell me which festivals you're going to in the comments. Have a little chat about it. If you are at Coachella right now, I hope you have an amazing time, or had an amazing time depending on when this is going up. But yeah, it's the start of festival season, so I wanted to get my tutorial in, and let me know if you want more festival makeup tutorials. I just sort of played around, see what I could do. Played around, saw what I could do. I don't really know. Played around and had fun with my makeup is basically what I'm trying to say. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Please keep on watching if you want to see how to get this makeup look. Bye! Okay guys, so I've got my eyes primed already. I look a bit weird, but we're gonna go in with the 35B palette. I think I'm gonna mix together this one and this orange shade up here on a MAC 242 brush. It's gonna be our crease color. Just gonna start blending that through the crease. Yeah, I don't really know what look I wanna do with this today, but we're just gonna sort of go with it, hope for the best. I'm so tired today, guys. I'm so sorry, but I wanted to film. I went to Harry Styles like the past 2 days. Well, like not last night, but the 2 nights before that, I went to Harry Styles. He was so good, but I'm so tired now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take the shade right here. This one, it's just a warm brown shade. I might mix in a little bit of that one, and maybe the red one up here, but for now, just going in with this one. I'm gonna take that on as a Weaver Luxe Petite Crease brush, just this brush here. I'm just gonna start blending that into my outer corner, and you really wanna bring this out. And then we're going back in with those initial transition shades that we used to blend out that shade. I'm adding a little bit of that red shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette that I showed you guys earlier, just over the top of the brown shade to give it a little bit more warmth. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go grab something that I'm gonna use to do a half cut crease, and then I'll be right back with you. I'm going in with the So Marshmallow Gelato by Beauty Bakery. It's just basically a white gel eyeliner. Looks like that. And I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. Well, half of my crease. Okay guys, so I think to start off with I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yes, I'm just going to spray my brush with some Fix Plus as well, just to really help intensify the shade. I feel like I'm being really quiet today. I'm really sorry guys. I can't help it. I'm just so tired. Guys, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade from the Morphe 35B palette. Just this one here over the top of that. Guys, I'm actually going to go over the top of that with a little bit of Reflex Transparent Pink by MAC. It's so pretty. I'm not going to show you guys because it's a loose glitter. It is just stunning. I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Bright Eyeliner in the shade Vivid Petal. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the sides of this quickly, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with MAC Strobe Cream as a base. I need to get more of this stuff. I'm like run out. But this is in the shade Gold Light. I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Oh guys, I have a question for you. So I bought the Too Faced Born This Way powder, yeah? I think that's what it's called. Because I really like the Born This Way collection. But it like gave me flashback. Is that just my one? Is that just me being weird, or did it give any of you guys flashback as well? Please let me know in the comments, because I was like, what the hell? Like, I've had such good reviews about this. Why is this giving me flashback? Let me know in the comments, because I'm so intrigued. I'm like, why is this thing giving me flashback? What is going on? By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, off of camera I did like this. It's just like black eyeshadow stuff as liner. I didn't actually think I was gonna do it, then it just sort of happened. I didn't want to do actual eyeliner because I thought it would be too harsh. I might blend that out a little bit more, but we'll see. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Probably a bit too much of that. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick as well. Apparently we're going for a full coverage today. Okay. Did not know I was going to put on this much foundation. It just sort of happened, but oh well. I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender, as always. I just got foundation on my eye. Shadow, not a good look. Kill me now. I'll have to blend that out later. I'm going to apply some of Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium Light, Light Medium under my eyes. Blending that out with my beauty blender once again. I'm gonna bake now with my RCMA No Color Powder. I just poured that onto my table so I can bake with it. I feel like I would show you guys, but you're like stood up on my tripod right now. So yeah, just dipping into that and baking under my eyes. It looks like I've been snorting coke off this table. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and lashes off of camera now. I'll be right back with you guys when they are done. You guys know I always do them off of camera, but I will be back in like 5 minutes, so see you then. Bye. Okay guys, so I just started bronzing up my face without filming, but don't worry because that's all I did, apart from applying my lashes off of camera, but I already told you guys that I was gonna do that. So I'm just going in with Hoola and Hoola Light and bronzing up my face. All I got up to was my nose. So I've already bronzed up here and my nose, but I still got this side to do, so I'm gonna contour my jawline as well with those shades. So I just kind of fucked up the outer corner of my eye. So yeah, would not recommend doing that. Let's pretend I haven't though and it still looks pretty. Wow, what a beautiful look. Okay, so I'm gonna take some more of that white gel eyeliner and just apply it on my inner corner. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that matte glitter over the top of that. And then I'm going to apply some of these Gypsy Shrine glitter things in the shade Rainbow Pink. Rainbow Pink, can I say that properly? And I'm going to take some glitter glue by NYX. Just apply some of those on the inner corner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this white gel eyeliner again, but my best friend in this video, I know. And I'm going to dip the back of one of my brushes, so the bottom part, this thing. I'm going to start doing circles above my eyebrow, just like this. Okay, well that worked so well, I know. That looks so cute. I feel like I'm about to go to a festival. So they don't look very symmetrical, but that is okay. I want to add like glitter like everywhere, but I don't want to be too basic. She says with the white dots, what can get more basic than that? I think I'm going to apply some of my Reflex Transparent Pink glitter by MAC. So I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus. Okay, and then I'm going to dip my Morphe R40 brush, just looks like this, into the MAC glitter. And then I'm just going to tap this onto my cheekbone. I think I need some more pink on my cheeks, and I hate blush, but I'm gonna go in with California by Benefit because I think I need it. So yeah, I'm just going in with California by Benefit. I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks. I don't even wanna use that brush. I'm just gonna use my bronzer brush. So I can't find a gem, which is a bit annoying. That was almost glitter everywhere. Oh my god. Okay, so I can't find a gem, which is a bit annoying, but I'm just gonna start blending the initial transition shades along my lower lash line. And I'm gonna drag these far down, like very far down. I'm gonna pull it out all the way out here. Like that, kind of. So I basically pulled it all the way down to my under eye area. Guys, you know today I was actually gonna film the Google Does My Makeup video. It just doesn't work for my name. Like, it literally just doesn't work. Like, it literally comes up with a photo of a little girl in like black and, like not black and white, but like with just browns, whites and beiges. So I would have to do a really boring makeup look for that, and I don't really want to. I don't know, I can still do it if you guys want me to do the Google Does My Makeup challenge. You know, the one that Nikki Tutorials did. I'm gonna take this deep sort of pinky purple shade at the bottom here. This one. I might mix in some of the red and the pink, but just start blending that onto your lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with some Fix Plus. Again, I know how much Fix Plus can you use. And then I'm gonna take the Benefit Bad Gal Bang for my lower lash mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna go in with Stripped by Anastasia on my lips first of all. I'm gonna go in with Skinny Dip by Jouer over the top. I'm also gonna press the tiniest bit of glitter into the center of my lips. Okay, I'm gonna take my hair out and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so that is the end of the makeup look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to give it a massive thumbs up and please do comment, and if you are new here, remember to subscribe and turn on my little post notification bell down below as well. Yeah, if you do choose to recreate it, please tag me in your photos on Instagram. All my social medias are linked in the description box. Yeah, and if you guys are going to any festivals this year, I hope you have an amazing time, and tell me which ones you're going to in the comments below, because I love festival season. I'm so excited about it. Hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Bye guys.
Don't let me drown. Don't let